Srimati Eenjaar Sriram Vengadesh. Today we are going to see some information about swaras and animals or bird sounds. We know that there are 7 swaras: sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Sa, shadja; ri, rishabha; ga, gandhara; ma, madhyama; pa, panchama; dha, daivata; ni, nishada. Each swara is associated with the sound produced by a particular animal or a bird. Shadja, sa, is said to be sourced from the rapturous sound of the peacock when rain clouds gather in the sky. Rishabha, ri, is said to be sourced from the bellowing of a cow or a bull. Gandhara, ga, is said to be sourced from the bleating of a goat in a flock. Madhyama, ma, is said to be sourced from the cry of a heron. Panchama, pa, is said to be sourced from the sound of the Indian kokila in spring. Indian kokila is nightingale. Daivata, dha, is said to be sourced from the neighing of a horse. Nishada, ni, is said to be sourced from the trumpeting of an elephant. Interesting, isn't it? Hope you all find this information useful. Thank you. Srimati Eenjaar Sriram Vengadesh.